Meaning of humerus.
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 Humerus. The humerus is a long bone in the upper arm that extends from the shoulder to the elbow. It is the largest and strongest bone in the arm and plays an important role in the movement and stability of the shoulder and elbow joints. The humerus is shaped like a long, cylindrical rod and has several distinct features, including a rounded head that fits into the shoulder socket, a narrow neck, and two large, protruding bumps called the greater and lesser tubercles. These features allow the humerus to articulate with the scapula and provide attachment points for muscles that move the arm.